Good morning, everyone. This is Abhijit Dubey of Class 8 from JNB Jablapalamutu. Today I am here to present an art integrated project under the guidance of our very energetic and most talented teacher, Mr. Amkesh Mina. The topic of my project is Wildlife Sanctuary of Telangana. First, Kiner Sani Wildlife Sanctuary. Kiner Sani Wildlife Sanctuary, located at a distance of about 15 km from Kothagu Dam, Kiner Sani Wildlife Sanctuary is one of the most beautiful parts of Telangana and is spread over an area of about 635.40 square kilometer with forested island, beautiful lakes and rich flora and fauna. It certainly is a perfect weekend destination in a delightful world. On one hand, you can go photographic its scenic landscape, and on the other hand, you can capture the beauty of its vibrant wildlife. The major reason why you should must plan a tour of this wondrous expansion lies in its uncrowded environment and appealing atmosphere. Common immigrant and rhesus macaque are found here. Second, Manjira Wildlife Sanctuary. Manjira Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the Medak district at a distance of about 50 km from Hyderabad. Therefore, it is gaining popularity amongst nature lovers day by day. However, it still falls under the category of least explored destinations. It is established in the year 1978. It covers an area of about 20 square kilometers and is mainly popular amongst visitors for its large population of birds ranging from migratory to indigenous species and vulnerable species of mugger crocodiles. There is also a huge reservoir present within its boundaries which caters to the water needs of Hyderabad and Secunderabad. Blessed with rich forest, diverse fauna and beautiful water bodies, this enthralling sanctuary should be your next weekend destination. Apart from bird and crocodile, the major species found here include turtle, wild boar and mongoose. Third, Pocharam Wildlife Sanctuary, a bird watcher paradise and every nature lover dream. Pocharam Wildlife Sanctuary seems like a natural world straight out of heaven, spread over an area of about 130 square kilometers and established in the year 1952. It is one of the oldest wildlife sanctuary in India and is located at a distance of around 100 km from Nizamabad. The major species of birds here include herons, egrets, and open-bill storks. You can also spot several animals such as jackal, elephant, and boar. The presence of Pocharam lakes enhances its overall charm and appeal. Fourth and last, Iturunagaram Wildlife Sanctuary. How about staying in a forest cottage inside a wildlife sanctuary and feeling the essence of calmness? It is located at a distance of about 110 km from Warangal on the banks of Godavari River. This wonderful sanctuary is covered with thick deep forest and is blessed with rich wildlife with stream, spring, hill and plains. It is one of the most beautiful sanctuaries in India. The major species found here include tiger, leopard, black buck, spotted deer, sambar and wolf. At last, I want to say that we should protect and conserve wildlife sanctuary. Thank you.